Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to blur background in Canva. It's quite simple. All you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So this is the image, right? I want to blur the background. That means the forest background. This too will not be blurred. So let's go to this edit option over here. Let's click in there. So as you can see, this like Magic Studio thing, this beige remover and all this is only available if you have a pro or like pro version. Since we do not have that, let's go to the effects. Let's scroll all the way down. Not all the way, just in this effect there's a this blur option. There's a brush size. So let's do it manually like this. Let's swap all the area where you want to make it blur. Just like this. You're gonna have to do it manually, obviously. Just remove if you accidentally have and blur again. Let's like, if you want to be more like precise, you can adjust the brush size a little bit, like smaller one. While you're working near to the actual image, you can use a smaller brush like this one. And once you like work with you can make it a bit bigger and like blur it all the way like this. So there you go. Intensity, you can like adjust the intensity like that. Here, let's decrease this. So it's not perfect, but you can make it perfect on your own. So this is how you blur background in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.